Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. Unfortunately this box got a little bit broken in the mail, but that's okay. I think we've been doing pretty well when it came to Kawaii boxes. They've been surviving surprisingly well, so hopefully nothing inside's damaged. I don't think it is. I get the feeling it should be fine. So this is the August box, Pika Pika Star Festival. So this is to celebrate the Tanabata Festival, which, I don't know, if you guys play Animal Crossing, then you know that it was been celebrated too in Animal Crossing, which is probably my biggest reference right now. But yes, let's get right into the unboxing. Zoom out just a bit. Alright, so what's this? This is like a drawstring bag, but a Sumikugurashi drawstring bag. So cute. I've been just doing a ton of decluttering and trying to work out what to keep and what to throw away. And this will actually be really good at dividing up a bunch of stuff, especially in my tech drawers. I have a lot of loose cables, so I feel like I could dedicate this to, say, all the lightning cables or something like that. So I'm excited to use that. And then we have some snacks. Looks like some green tea. Green tea watermelon? No, maybe it's just watermelon. It's salty watermelon Taiyaki wafer. I'm not sure how I feel about a salty watermelon, but I guess we're gonna find out because I will try this at some point, and hopefully it tastes good. I don't know. Maybe it will be like a salted caramel sort of thing, but I personally am not a fan of salted caramel, though I know it's a very popular flavor. Oh, it's so cute. I know it's Sanrio inspired, I just don't know which particular character is because it doesn't feel like it links to any particular character, but it's supposed to be like one of those lucky cats, Maneki Neko, that some people will have in their storefront to bring in good luck. I wish it didn't have the bell. That's probably the only thing, because I'd love to put this on my backpack, but I think this bell would irritate anybody and myself as I'm walking, so I don't really know. I mean, I guess I could always take it off, but then it doesn't look the same. I think this is an eraser, a pineapple scented eraser with the Milky brand. I'm gonna open it up just to see if it does smell. Alright, this is what the eraser looks like on its own. It doesn't smell like pineapple. It just has a pineapple design on it. And then we have some hair ties, some like donut hair ties. These are going straight to my niece. I think she would look adorable in them, and I think these things are a little bit too big for me, but yeah, it's so cute. We have a pen, but I'm pretty sure this is just like a black gel pen. Like, I tend to prefer to test actual like Pilot, Pentel, those sort of pens. I don't really test like more what I would call novelty pens. This is probably just black gel. The main reason I don't test novelty pens is that they're difficult to buy the exact one because they're kind of mass produced and just kind of sent out. They don't really have any particular name. I do love this keychain though. And then we have some, I think these are stickers. Yes, some stickers. Animal life stickers. Let's have a closer look. Alright, so you got one big backing sticker here. And then the rest are all like little individual snowflake stickers. So cute. Love it. And then last item is, oh, it's like a notebook keychain. I used to have something very similar to this. In fact, it was probably even smaller when I was a teenager. And it was such a bad idea. I'd hook it onto my backpack, and in it I would write like notes to myself, whether it would be like passwords, reminders, or personal thoughts. Bad idea, because it's not really secured and anyone can come to your bag and read it. So yes, don't do that. But this is so cute. I have no idea what I would use this for. Like, all I can think about is really just more for the decoration of having a little notebook hanging off your bag, but it's actually functional as well. So that's kind of a cool concept. And that is pretty much it. So that is everything in August's Kawaii Box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.